I just finished getting ready. I'm now headed to town to have lunch with Sarah, and we will hit the Glossier showroom after that. Let's go. We're here. There's no line. No line. Sarah has an amazing TikTok account. You need to follow her. I'll add it in here, over here, here or there. I don't know. I just now see in the light that your hair is green.
Yeah, I had
nice.
like a black bluish color and it faded, so my roots are a little blue. I'm having a Billie Eilish moment right now.
This is my scent, you guys. It's the only perfume that I own. Okay, I need to know. You use Cloudpaints all the time.
Yeah.
Which ones are your favorites?
This one is my absolute favorite because I don't feel like I have to mix it with anything. It's like bright enough and complex enough for like every skin tone. But lately I've been liking to mix these two together because it makes like a more saturated version of that.
So it's dusk and haze. Okay.
This is a really nice if you have like fair skin tone.
It's one of my faves, but on me it's a bit peachy. It's that one on the top.
But you know what? I also really love this one too.
Yeah.
These two are the newest ones, and I feel like this orange one just is like if you mix it with this, it makes like a beautiful red shade that they don't really have yet.
Take a photo.
I know.
So this is what we call the YouTube room? No, what did you say?
The cloud paint room.
Oh, sorry. I'm just
be in my TikTok video now.
Am I?
We are gonna be in a second.
I'm gonna be in one of your famous TikTok videos.
If it gets views, ready?
We're in the Oh. No. What did I do?
Okay, ready?
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay.
What do I do? I'm so nervous.
I'm just doing a transition, so.
Oh.
Yeah, I'm just kind of doing it.
What happens now that you did that?
I'll show you the whole thing.
All right. Oh. Wow. Oh, I'm in there. Okay, I'm gonna buy a Colorslide. Which one do you vote for?
This one.
Yeah.
Like if you're gonna pick one, it's that one.
Because that's kind of, what color is that?
On your skin tone, it looks more red.
Yeah.
So I thought it was gonna be more orange on you, but it's actually more on the pinky.
Yep, that's the one. We are now watching Sarah. She's committing shopping, even though she's promised herself that she's not going to. Yes, I'm riding her out. I also shopped a little. I'll show you later. Yes. You got what?
I said I got a lot. I'm kind of embarrassed. This is the biggest bag I've ever received.
No.
No.
You deserve it. Now let's go. Bye, Glossier. Look at our little bags. Bags of fun. Welcome back. So for all the Glossier stands out there, I thought I'd do a unboxing and first impressions of the new products that I bought. I tried to also do a full face of Glossier, so I'm wearing the skin tint in G9, and then I just did my brows with Anastasia and a soap to set them. Here it is. I swear to God, this pink pouch that they give you with every purchase is definitely one of their biggest money makers. It's the reason why everybody wants Glossier. All right, so I got two Cloudpaints. These are their blushes, liquid blushes. I got one in Dawn and one in Dusk. The one in Dusk I've had before. It's, to me, on my skin tone, it's one of those perfect everyday peachy, very toned down blush colors. I can't go wrong with this one. And then I got the Dawn one, which is this orangey bright color, and I've never owned anything like it, so I'm so excited to try that. Then I got one of actually Glossier Play's color slides in Candyland, and I thought we would try to do a liner with this. Let's start there, because I don't know how that will end, but let's try that. Let's just swatch it for you to see what the color looks like. This is the product. It's this sort of metallic orangey color. Oh, it's quite easy to apply. I'm going to take this all the way in actually, because it's not a dark color. Usually with dark colors, I don't take them all the way in because they end up covering too much of my lid. But with a color like this, I think that you can definitely, I think that you can definitely go all the way in. I'll actually thicken it up too, because I feel like, as I said, like I think we can afford to cover up more of our lid. Actually, maybe let's do a thick liner now that we're at it. I like that. I like that a lot. I'm gonna do the other eye. Wow. Do you not love that? Wait, I'm gonna actually do my inner corners too. Approved. So I'm just going to curl my lashes and add on some Lash Slick mascara, and then I'll be back. This is what it looks like. I really like this result. Like, I really, really like this. Yes, okay, so I'm gonna move on to the blushes. I'm thinking that I will actually mix these two colors. I think it'll be a great complement to the eye look. I'll just squeeze some out of my hand. I need to be very careful. This is why I find it so difficult with this packaging, because it looks cute and all that, but you're wasting so much product. What the fuck do I do now? All right, so fail, but this is what it looks like now. And then I will just mix these two together, and they end up in this color, which looks super nice. These I like to apply with my fingers. They can be applied with like a brush too. With the heat of the fingers, I feel like it's just easier to blend. That's actually one of the difficulties I find with this product, is it's so easy to apply too much, but I think that this bright orange color is probably suitable more to someone with someone who has a darker skin tone than mine. But do not fear, because this is way too much, but I'm gonna grab my beauty blender and some of the Glossier skin tint and share this out over the blush. There we go. A lot better. Looks great. Okay, I'm going to add some highlighter. This is their Haloscope in quartz. So I usually just take some on my ring finger and then some on the tip of my nose and then on my bridge. So just to finish this up, I'm going to apply some Glossier lip gloss. This is in the color Red Rogue. I'm really not a lip gloss person, but I'm doing this for the video. I just don't like what it looks like on my lips, and I don't like the feeling of it on my lips either. So I'm way more of a creamy lipstick or liquid lipstick type of gal. But I think this might add some freshness to the look. So this is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed that. I mean, you can't really, it's not one of those very defined eyeliners. I think that it would look good if I would have applied a black eyeliner on top of this, but not go as wide as this eyeliner, so that this one would kind of peep up behind that black eyeliner. That would have been a great look too if I wanted a more defining, lifting type of eyeliner. I think come summer, this will look great when I have a little bit more of a tan and the warm colors complement my skin tone even better. Yes, I feel like this was a win. Good job, Glossier. Yes, thanks for watching. I hope you like this short vlog plus unboxing kind of format. If you did, please like the video, please subscribe, please let me know in the comments. See you guys next time. Bye.